I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted a board on Pinterest and want to get it back, follow these steps to recover it. Step 1. Open Pinterest app. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device or go to the Pinterest website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you to your boards and save pins. Step 3. Access the Save Boards. Scroll down to find the Save section where your boards are listed. Look for the option that says See All to view all your boards, including any that might be deleted. Step 4. Check Archived Boards. If you can't find your deleted board, check if it is archived. Click on the 3 dots next to your boards and select Archived Boards to see if your board is there. Step 5. Restore the board. If you find your deleted board in the Archive section, click on it and select the option to restore it. Your board will be back in your profile. Sometimes, boards may not appear in the Archive section if they were permanently deleted. Keep an eye on the confirmation messages when deleting to avoid this. I hope this helps you get your boards back. If you have any other questions about Pinterest, feel free to ask.